how to download apps in laptops or PC Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install apps on your Windows laptop or PC step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click on the start menu and after that on the pop-up menu simply click on the search bar and search for Microsoft Store, and after that simply click on Microsoft Store to open it. And here once you have opened the Microsoft Store, simply click on the search bar at the top and simply search for the game that you want to download. And now here once you have searched for it, simply click on it to open it, and here once you have opened it, simply click on get or install, and here once you click on it, the app will start downloading and installing automatically. And here once installed, you can find the app in the start menu or your desktop. And if the app isn't available in the Microsoft Store, then you can go to the browser and search for the specific app and download it from there through the installer file. And that's it. That's how you can download apps in laptop or PC Windows. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.